welcome students to GS Maths once again. Today I am going to start a topic that is maximum and minimum of class 2. Now in this, the very first topic is first derivative test. Now what is first derivative test? How we apply it in finding the maximum and minimum value of a given function. Now the steps in this is basically again application of the derivative, nothing else. Now steps in this first derivative test. Number one, first step is there is some function y equals to fx. Find its derivative, that is, say find y dash or dy by dx. Equate this derivative equals to 0. Put dy by dx equals to 0. We will get values of x as say x1, x2, x3 and so on. Right? Then just mark these numbers on the number line. जो वैल्यूज आई हैं x की x1, x2, x3, thus mark them on the number line x1, x2, x3. Now, if say it's minus sign from minus infinity to x1, it changes to positive sign from x1 to x2. That means there is a sign change from negative to positive, negative to positive, negative to positive. Then this point x1, x equals to x1 is the point of local minima. It is the point of local minima. As the sign changes from negative to positive, negative to positive, this is negative, this is somewhere positive, rising. Now it is called point of local minima. Now if the sign changes from positive to negative as we go through x2, negative to positive at x equals to say x2. It's going from negative to positive to negative. It's like this. Positive to negative through this point. Then this point is called local maxima. Local maxima. Right? Now I will explain this concept by giving you an example. Now the example is, say question is, there will be a function given to you. You are to differentiate it with respect to x or any variable in which it is given. Okay? Now, question is, find the point of, it's basically by first derivative test. First derivative test. Right? Now, the function given is fx equals to x cube minus 6x square plus 9x minus 8. Now, the steps we wrote, the function fx is given to you as x cube minus 6x square plus 9x minus 8. The very first step I told you, just find its derivative. इसका derivative find करो. F dash x, or we call it as dy by dx. This is x cube का derivative 3x here minus 12x plus 9. Derivative of this function is 3x square minus 12x plus 9. Equate it equal to 0. Now 3 is common throughout. I get x square 4x plus 3 is 0. Right? Now x square minus 4x plus 3 is 0. Split the middle term. Get the values of x. x common, x minus 3, x minus 3 is 0. I get the values x, x is 1, x is 3. Now plot these points 1 and 3 on the number line like this. This is positive side, this is the minus infinity. I have x equals to 1 and x equals to 3. Now जो वैल्यूज आई है x equals to 1 and x equals to 3, any value on the left hand side of this point, say it is 0, 1 से लेस कोई भी वैल्यू 0 है, वो आप डेरिवेटिव dy by dx में पुट कर दो. Now what will happen? Look, we will find dy by dx at say x equals to 0. Left hand side of this point x equals to 1. It is 0. This is 0 plus 9. Only plus 9. That means sign is positive. Plus 9 is that. Put the values in the derivative dy by dx. That's why it's called first derivative test. This sign, the sign of dy by dx will change. Positive x equals to 1 के left hand में. Now x equals to 1 के right hand में. There is 2 in between 1 and 3. So put dy by ds. Examine the sign, that is x equals to 2. Now 2 2s are 4, 3s are, I get 12 minus 24 plus 9. This is minus 12. That is minus 12 plus 3. It is negative 3. So there is a negative sign from 1 to 3. In between any value you put and dy by dx, I get a negative sign. ठीक है? Now x equals to 3 के right side पे, x equals to 3 से I put the value as 4. dy by dx at x equals to 4. 16 3 48 minus 48 plus 9. I get only plus 9. तो इसका मतलब यहाँ पे भी साइन क्या है? प्लस. Now as I told you, as dy by dx changes sign, changes its sign from positive to negative, positive to negative. ठीक है? It's changing its sign from positive to negative when it's going through x equals to 1. Positive to negative, then this point is called local maximum. Local maximum. Right? Now as we move from x equals to 3, the sign changes from negative to positive. That means at x equals to 3, at x equals to 3, the sign of the derivative changes from negative to positive. Negative to positive. This means this is point of local minima. Local minima. Function fx, find its derivative, equate the derivative equal to 0, you get values of x. X is 1, x is 3. Plot these lines on the, plot these points on the number line, then put some value on the left hand side of x equals to 1. So I get the sign of dy by dx as positive. Okay, then put some value to the right hand side of x equals to 1. I get negative sign of dy by dx. Next is the point is x equals to 3. Now put any value on the right hand side, that is say x equals to 4 in the derivative. I get what? Positive sign. That means when I go through x equals to 1, my sign of dy by dx changes from positive to negative. That means that at x equals to 1, the function has a local maximum value. It's a local maximum. Now, as we go through x equals to 3 ठीक है, माई साइन चेंजेस फ्रॉम नेगेटिव टू पॉजिटिव, राइट। तो मेरी जो वैल्यू है x इक्वल्स टू 3 के ऊपर इट इज लोकल मिनिमम। आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड दिस, ठीक है। इट्स अ वेरी इजी कंसेप्ट, ओनली थिंग इज कि फाइंड द डेरिवेटिव, इक्वल इट इक्वल टू 0, वैल्यूज आएंगी, वैल्यूज को नंबर लाइन पे प्लॉट करो, देन सी फॉर द साइन चेंज ऑफ द डेरिवेटिव, कि पॉजिटिव से नेगेटिव चेंज हो रहा है या नेगेटिव से पॉजिटिव चेंज हो रहा है, ठीक है। नाउ आई विल गिव यू वन मोर एग्जांपल सो दैट इट्स द कंसेप्ट इज वेरी क्लियर। नाउ yes, now fx equals to, I have fx equals to x cube minus of 6x square plus 12x minus 8, right? This is my function fx equals to this. Now what I have to do, I have to find the points of local maxima and local minima of this function fx equals to this. The very first thing which I will do is just find its derivative. Let this be equal to y. I find dy by dx. What do you get? 3x square 12x plus 12. Equate this dy by dx equals to 0. I get 3x square 12x plus 12 is 0. 3 is common out, that is 4x plus 4 equals to 0. Now split the middle term, that is x square. I need minus 2, so I get minus 2. I need minus 4x. 2x plus 4 is 0. Because x minus 2 minus 2 x minus 2 is 0. I get x minus 2 and x minus 2 whole square is 0. That is x equals to what? 2. So there is only one point x equals to 2. Just plot it on the number line. This is infinity positive, negative, so x equals to 2 comes somewhere here. ठीक है, अब जो मेरा पॉइंट है x equals to 2, उसके लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे कोई भी वैल्यू, दैट इज से x equals to 1, substitute in dy by dx. dy by dx at say x equals to 1. 3x square, that is 3 minus 12 plus 12. Now my answer is positive 3. That means there is a plus sign on this side. Now any value more than x equals to 2, say it is x equals to 3, substitute in dy by dx. dy by dx at x equals to 3. अब 3 वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे, 3 का स्क्वायर 9, 3 27 माइनस 36 प्लस 12. This will give you a positive value. Obvious है, ये भी प्लस साइन आ गया। अब there is no sign change as we go from x equals to 2 left to right we are moving, ठीक है, there is no sign change. तो ऐसे साइन को, इस पॉइंट को x equals to 2 को, there is no sign change, that is at x equals to 2 पे dy by dx does not change any sign, no sign change is there. Therefore the point x equals to 2 is called point of inflection. Point of inflection. And there is no local maxima or local minimum. It is a point of inflection we call x equals to 2 if there is no sign change. पॉजिटिव ही था x इक्वल्स टू 2 के लेफ्ट साइड पे, पॉजिटिव ही है x इक्वल्स टू 2 के राइट हैंड साइड पे. देयर इज नो साइन चेंज, देयरफॉर द पॉइंट x इक्वल्स टू 2 is called the point of inflection. So we cannot find, there is no local maxima and local minima at x equals to 2. Now these are three things. The dy by dx अगर साइन चेंज करेगा नेगेटिव टू पॉजिटिव, ठीक है, या पॉजिटिव टू नेगेटिव, और देयर विल बी नो साइन चेंज, नो साइन चेंज. अगर ये नेगेटिव टू पॉजिटिव है तो इट इज पॉइंट ऑफ लोकल मिनिमा. अगर पॉजिटिव टू नेगेटिव है then it is point of local maxima. If there is no sign change, then it is called point of inflection. ठीक है? So you have understood this topic. It's the first part of this chapter, maxima and minima. That is first derivative test to find local maxima and minima. Thank you for watching this. In my next lecture, I will discuss the second higher order derivative test from this very chapter. Thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy.